Hi! Welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. We will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Next, we will try to explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve the problem in less than 10 seconds. Here's the problem. A number when divided by 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, and 14 leaves the remainders 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, and 13 respectively. What is the number? A. 30,148. B. 30,029. C. 31,019. D. 30,025. E. 30,229. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. First, find the least common multiple of 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, and 14. In this example, 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 11 times 13 equals 30,030. Since all the numbers leave a remainder equal to 1 less than the divisor, subtract 1 from 30,030, which is equal to 30,029. And the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Again, remember our answer was option B. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's showing us its analysis and it's trying to calculate the correct answer by testing each option. Let's see how fast ChatGPT can do this and give us the correct answer. Alright, and it already gave us the correct answer by testing each option, which option B satisfies all conditions, which is 30,029 and the correct answer. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option B. Let's see if Gemini can give us the correct answer faster than ChatGPT. And it already has the correct answer for us. Letter B, 30,029. That's definitely faster than ChatGPT. Awesome. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Option A and D can be eliminated since the answer cannot be an even number nor can it end in 5, else it will not leave any remainder when divided by 2 or 5 respectively. Option E is also eliminated since when it is divided by 3, it leaves a remainder 1 instead of 2. Because 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 equals 16, and 16 divided by 3 is 5 plus 1 as remainder. Finally, subtract 6 from the remaining options and check for divisibility of 7. You will find that 30,029 minus 6 equals 30,023, which is divisible by 7, and hence option B is the answer. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. It's a little over than 10 seconds, but it's definitely faster considering that we didn't use any calculator or an AI. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.